Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus Realme X1 Max device. So while doing this kind of CPU throttling test, I'll try to use the high performance mode between these both phones, which is actually present, and these are tests which I'm trying to do after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update as well. So we'll be able to get to know a few things. For example, obviously stability and how much high temperatures the both phones can actually increase during this kind of CPU throttling test results. Right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to use with the high performance mode between these both phones. All the apps are completely clear between these both phones exactly. High performance mode I did turn on between these two devices, as you can clearly see, friends. And right now, let me to open the CPU throttling application exactly, and let me to show you the settings what I'm trying to use here. Same 100 threads I'm trying to use for 15 minutes of time. I'll try to continuously use this same settings, as you can clearly see. And let's go back. And right now the brightness is also kind of very similar, nothing much huge difference between the brightness. Let's start the test. Let's see, friends, how much the high scores, high temperatures the both phones can reach. And you can see 29.8, 29.4, same temperatures, exactly same temperature is there between these two phones. And the battery is also kind of very similar, nothing much huge difference, 59 and 55, not a huge difference between these two phones regarding the battery percentage. Again, I'll be back after maybe 5 minutes of time. After 5 minutes, we'll try to discuss exactly what's going on with overall heating problem and what obviously the graph as well. After 5 minutes, we'll be able to get to know. So right now, as you can see, friends, we did get close to 5 minutes of time as well, and you can clearly see both phones what's happening with overall graph, and you can see the temperature is 36.6 degrees Celsius and 38.6 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees as well, 36. 39. So overall 3 degrees higher in the Realme X1 Max device during this process of demonstration. You can see the performance scores and everything, what's happening here. Again, I'll be back after 10 more minutes. So right now, as you can see, friends, finally we are reaching about 15 minutes of time as well regarding the CPU throttling. You can clearly see here what's going on. So you can look at the graph at this moment, the performance scores as well. So Realme X1 Max device, you can see, friends, right now in front of the camera, it's decreasing in the red color indication, as you can clearly see. Wow. In the Realme X1 Max device, it decreased like red color completely. And let's take a look at the temperatures. 37.7 is the highest and 43.2 is the highest in the Realme X1 Max device. It's very high. 43.4, friends. Wow, 43.4, like 38. That's huge, like 5 to 6 degrees Celsius is difference is there between these two phones. But finally, you can see the Poco F3 GT, what's the graph happening here, and Realme X1 Max, 68% of its maximum peak performance. Can definitely see difference. So this is a CPU throttling test of the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme X1 Max device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, until then, stay tuned for more updates. And Poco F3 GT was able to keep very good regarding the cooling system and able to maintain pretty good stable performance, average and minimum, and you can clearly see here. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.